Afternoon, like the first time we had an experience in traveling in Singapore metro train, and that is called as MRT. That time we have some local people helping us, like our relative. They helped us in bringing to our final destination. Now we are without any help. We are planning to go back to the home. This is the map. When you get into MRT, they will give you this is like a local train map. We were like here in the afternoon, like Chua Chung Kang. From there we came here. This is like 2 lane. The big lane will be always like you can travel very long distance, and the small section will have some more frequent stop in between. We came here, Phuket Panjang, and then from there we came to Bayfront. Again we roamed somewhere around here, and then we came back to Bayfront. Now we are looking go back to the same Phuket Panjang. From there we are thinking to go to Chua Chung. From there we have to go to the home. Let's see how far we are going to effectively do that without any confusion. See, these are all coins. They were throwing a lot of coin inside water pool. Inside mall, you have water. Like there is a small boat. You can ride in the boat. It's a different experience. Hey, Phuket Panjang. 1 minute. We can catch that. Here everybody wait in the left lane, just because if someone want to walk and overtake, they have a chance to on clearer way. லிட்டில் இண்டியா அதான் நான் கூகுள் ரிவ்யூ படிக்கும்போது கூட ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி வெளியே ஃபாரினர்ஸில் ரொம்ப கேவலமாக எழுதியிருந்தாங்க. ரொம்ப டர்ட்டியாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப க்ரௌடடாக இருக்குது சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
இருக்கிற எல்லா இந்தியன்ஸ் பங்களாதேஷ் எல்லாம் அங்கே போவாங்க. அதனால் ரஷ்ஷாக தான் இருக்கும்.
இது ஸ்வீட் பீனட்ஸ் பார்த்து எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
சால்ட் ஓகே.
சால்ட் ரோஸ்டட் சின்னது ரோஸ்டட்ல சின்னது.
Hi guys, today we morning wake up at like 9:30 only, and then we took very long time to get ready. Now the time is like now only we came down because I need to catch the train. So they're having 4 language.
As a national language.
Chinese, Tamil, English, and Malay. That's a good thing. Everywhere, even in all stations, they are repeating this in all language, all 4 language.
And
it's
most importantly, it is not irritating.
Because they are keeping it very short and sweet. Cáo chị đi à. What are you doing?
Trying to book the bunny. Show me.
Originally they decided to build this as a Buddha temple, and then later they decided to build this as a cultural and religion institution. So inside there is a museum also available. So we'll go there and then we see the ambience. We'll check and then we'll come back.
Where you from?
We are from Chennai, India.
China, India.
Yeah, Tamil Nadu.
Oh. Holiday, yeah.
Holiday trip.
You stay at Marina Bay? Marina Bay, no.
No,
Where you stay? Your hotel?
no, it's at a relative home.
Home.
Relative home.
Oh, relative. Relative.
In Tamil Nadu, if there is some relative, we cannot stay outside.
Relative, good. No need to waste money.
Correct.
Your relative, right? Around where? Katong?
Chua Chu Kang Avenue.
So far, no?
Yeah, it's like 20 kilometers away.
I stayed at Chua Chu Kang.
Okay. And all these are bank building or just a
All your bank, office.
office? Guys, in the meanwhile, we lost each other. We were searching for each other like 15 minutes. And then we finally figured out one tip for you. If we are getting lost in somewhere,
Should I make sound? Cuckoo.
no, not like that. We'll come back to the same spot where we left each other. So that way we know if it is taking a long time, then we can go to the same spot where we left. That's the simplest way. You cannot cuckoo sound and then you can reach me. It will be very difficult, right?
Yeah.
See, I'm staying like half a kilometer away from where you are. Cuckoo is not going to obviously work.
I'll make loud noise.
Yeah, then do it in front of camera.
No, it will be disturbing for others.
Then how you will find me in such a way if you think like that? You have to sound like cuckoo. Like that you have to sound.
You are really louder.
I see.
Lion adu.
Merlin. I don't know how to pronounce it. Merlin or Merlin. I don't know. Because they're telling different name. The cab driver is completely pronouncing it as a different name and he's telling, okay, that's Merlin. Like that he's telling.
They are from the slang will be like Chinese.
Yeah. See.
Yeah.
This place. Look at this place. You know, lot of people will find very difficult to take a good picture because it's become very iconic spot in Singapore. What we can do now, if we are not able to take picture with this lion, I have one quick tip for you.
What?
Look here, there is a small lion.
I want to take photo.
I'll grab you there. See there, that small lion. It's raining here, so what we decided is like we thought to go and have our lunch and then come back here. If it is not raining, it will be lucky day for us to take one more great picture. There are a lot of shops here.
Yeah. Aravind Anna suggested some shops here. I forgot it, but it will be like cheap.
Oh,
They have an office nearby.
okay. Finally, we decided to have our lunch at Japanese restaurant.
Lunch konja kaaminga.
I thought to buy something rich and premium, so she was suggesting to buy something around like $5. I was telling like we'll buy something good in noodles and to taste in Singapore. Now it's like costing like $10, but I really don't know that is going to be a rice. Look at the view. This is what they gave us. Only rice. If you see, there is an omelette, cucumber, chicken wing. That's it.
You don't touch this.
Okay, you completely have this. I will have this. I'll just try. I'm going to taste this local dish. That's it. Maybe we can say like that. Look at this washroom, guys. The restroom is like perfectly clean. Wherever I go, you feel it like you are in a 5-star hotel. That much clean it is. See, the hand sanitizer. They have liquid filled in government owned toilets. And then the water saving is very important here. So they are giving very important to that. And then one best thing is like you have soap liquid, so that way you can wash your face.
Do something.
Tingnan yung mga picture natin dito, natatawa ako sa
பண்ணு do something.